Quick video. I'm about to mount that shitter's full clock in my travel trailer. Placement will be right there. Parts needed: rubberized washer and just a couple more washers. I didn't have to buy them. I got them laying around in the garage, so I'll be using them. The cabinet is 13 inches, so that's exactly 6.5. Put a masking tape, drill a hole. Take off the masking tape, put it together. It'll move freely, so we'll secure it with a masking tape. Okay, by putting a masking tape in there or any type of tape gives it a little bit of resistance, so it's not moving freely. Next, put the rubber washer. And the purpose of this rubber washer is to keep it in place, especially when your travel trailer is in motion, bouncing around. Okay, let's go ahead and mount it. There's that rubber washer. Insert it. Perfect. Secure it with another washer and a lock nut. And just hand tighten it. You don't need to over crank it. There it is. It's fully mounted. That's pretty. I'm tapping it. It's not going anywhere. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Click that subscribe button and click that notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Talk to you guys later. Bye for now.